Good afternoon, James. Thank you very much for your inquiry on what I can say is a very nice looking VW Polo. This is the R line, so you do get a little bit of a nice sort of trim finish on the Polos. It is available for you to view and test drive. If you can kind of just let me know which day suits you. So the purpose of this video is just to go around the vehicle, identify any sort of minor cosmetic needs to be done, and have a look at the interior as well. So enjoy the video. If you have any questions once you've watched it, please do let me know. So we're going to start off on the near side driver's side, just go around each of the alloys as well, so they are pretty clean. And generally the car, with its sort of semi-high mileage, is in pretty good order, to be fair. So both near side alloys are looking okay. You do have the front and rear parking sensors on this particular vehicle as well. Again, that alloy is all okay. And finally, so looking at all four alloys, bodywork seems to be in good order as well. You've also got the rear quarter of the vehicle with privacy glass. Very clean and tidy interior, and with your spare wheel in the back as well. Quite rare to come across with a vehicle with a spare wheel, but really nice to see. No marks to the interior, been very well maintained throughout. You've got your two USB ports in the back as well, for passengers or children even to charge their devices. And again, so it's just under 79,050 miles. Sorry, forgive me. Yes, 79,481 miles to be precise. The touchscreen display, which does allow you to have Apple or Android Auto. I'm just going to start the vehicle up for you. You've got your air conditioning unit is here. Now, knowing that I've had about 6 of these over the past 4 years. Really nice cars to drive. You would expect, obviously being a 1 litre, it would be underpowered slightly, but in matter of fact it's totally opposite. Really lovely car to drive, and great to handle as well. So automatic gearbox with your auto start stop as well. Your parking sensors are here, so if they are going, you can mute them off if you like. So you are able to have Android Auto there as well, or even Apple CarPlay. Now this is all touchscreen, all across here. You've got your menu there. You are able to download a VW app as well to keep track of the vehicle. Any maintenance sort of occurred up directly from VW, they will inform you through the app. Multi-function steering wheel, and you've got what looks to me like adaptive cruise control, which is a nice feature to have. Flat bottom steering wheel to go with the R line. Nice comfortable steering wheel as well, and you've got that nice embroidery in the R as well on the seats. So that is the vehicle. If you do have any specific questions on this vehicle, please do not hesitate to get in contact. Be more than happy to help and assist a little bit further. Thank you. Take care.